Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run Windows 10 in your Android with using Limbo PC Emulator application. Let's get into the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run Windows 10 tiny version in your Android with using Limbo PC Emulator application. So one of my subscribers have commented on my videos to make a video on Windows 10 tiny version. So here is the video. If you are my subscriber and if you want a dedicated video so on how you can make your Android phone into a PC, or if you want to run any OS like Windows, Linux or anything, and if you want to run any PC software in your Android, let me know in the comments. I make a video on it, so make sure to comment so I can make a specially dedicated video on your demand. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run Windows 10 tiny version in your Android phone with using Limbo PC Emulator application. So most of your people are aware of Limbo PC Emulator application. So Limbo PC Emulator application is an emulator application for Android, and while using this application you can run any type of OS in your Android like Windows, Linux. There are a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. In that videos I have shown how you can run the Windows XP 7, 8, 8.1, Vista, 10, 11 also. So this is the another version of the Windows 10 tiny version. So first of all, you have to download the Limbo PC Emulator application. The downloading in the description. I have provided the Telegram link. From there you will get the direct link of the application. And second thing, you have to download the tiny 10 version. The Windows, it will be in the VHD file. It will be approx 3 GB, so make sure you have enough storage in your Android phone. So after downloading both the files, make sure to enable the internet and you have to open the Limbo PC Emulator application. So this is the latest version of the Limbo PC Emulator application you have to use, and I'm using over here. So now you have to click on the none, you have to click on the new. Here you have to type the Windows, whatever name you want to give. I'm giving the Windows 10 tiny 64-bit. Just create machine. So now I'm going to show all the settings you have to do in the Limbo PC Emulator application. You have to get into the boards. You have to select the CPU. I'm going to select the CPU Core 2 Duo, which will be very good for the Windows 10. I'm going to select the 6 cores, and I'm going to select the RAM of about 2 2.5 GB, will be approx 2500 MB. So 2504 I've selected. Now you have to enable the MTTCG and you have to uncheck disable TSC. So this is the settings you have to do in the board. Now you have to scroll down, you have to get into the disk A, you have to click on none, you have to click on the open. Now you have to locate the file which you have downloaded, the downloading the description, tiny 10 Windows VSD file. You have to open this file, you have to scroll down, you have to click to boot from hard disk. So you have to do all the settings. Now you have to get to the network. You have to click on the user and network card, let it be on the default. So this is the all the settings you have to do in the Limbo PC Emulator to run Windows 10 tiny version. By calling this is the Windows tiny, but it will taking very huge hardware, high-end specifications, and it will require a high-end smartphone. So let me just turn on the screen rotation and turn my Android phone to get the better view and a better understanding. So let me just set up the camera and come back again. As you can see in the screen, I have done all the settings in the Limbo PC Emulator application. Now I'm just click to play button. So as you can see in the screen, the Windows 10 logo appear on the screen, and it will going to start booting up. So here I'm going to fast forward the video until the Windows 10 booted in my Android phone. For very first time it will going to take some time, but after second time or third time, if you opening the same Windows in the same Limbo PC Emulator, it will going to boot very fast. So as you can see in the screen, the booting logo appear and Windows 10 logo appear and the booting over here. So let me just fast forward the video. So as you can see in the screen, finally the Windows 10 Tiny is successfully booted in my Android phone with using Limbo PC Emulator application. And as you can see in the screen, it's fully booted over here. And this is the mouse cursor. Let me just click on the refresh. While using the volume button, you can use it as a mouse buttons, like a volume up button as a mouse left button and volume down button as a volume left button. So as you can see in the screen, just now I've click on the more options of the desktop and I'll click to refresh. And the very good thing about this Windows, it's in the English language. You don't need to worry about the language like the other Windows. And as you can see in the screen, the internet is successfully supported in this Windows 10, and the date and time is syncing very perfectly. And as you can see in the screen, this is the Windows 10, a very tiny version, but it's not tiny version. It's in about 3 GB, and it's quite a good device specific to run. So let me just open properties of this PC Windows 10. So let me just click on the properties. So you can see in the screen, this is the properties of this Windows 10 Enterprises LTSC 2008 Microsoft Corporation all right reserve. Windows 10, we have selected the processor of Intel Core 2 Duo CPU with 2 GHz, and RAM we have selected 2.5 GB, as you can see, and this is the 64-bit operating system. It means we can run 64-bit softwares in this. So if you want to know how you can run any PC software in this Windows 10, let me know in the comments. I try to make a video on it. So this is the fully working Windows 10 with the internet, and the software is going to perfectly work in this. So there are a lot of upcoming videos on my YouTube channel that I'm going to show you how you can install any PC software in this Windows 10. So let me just click on the start button of this Windows 10, and there are not any preloaded software in this Windows 10. And as you can see in the screen, this is the Windows accessories, some preloaded Windows software, and there is no browser at the moment in this Windows 10, so I can't show you internet is working not, but the internet driver is detected in this Windows 10, so you can use the internet with this Windows 10. And you will in my upcoming video, I'm going to make a video on how you can install any Chrome or any other browser in your Windows 10. So you can see in the screen, this is the fully working Windows 10 running in Android with using Limbo PC Emulator. So this is the Windows 10 Tiny. I've made this video on one of my subscriber demand. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If any question or problem, let me know in the comment. Thank you.